Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 9th, assignment number 6, topic is refraction of light at plane surfaces. In that first question, on what factors does the critical angle depend? So critical angle depends on the refractive indices of the medium and nature of the pair of two mediums, and also depends on temperature. Temperature dependent. Why? Because the ray should move from denser to rarer only. Denser to rarer at a particular angle of incidence. At a particular angle of incidence, if this is denser, this is rarer. At a particular angle of incidence, this is the normal line. The refracted ray grazes along the interface. That means actual path is along this direction. Denser to rarer, the ray bends away from the normal law. So at a particular angle of incidence, this is the critical angle, IC. So at a particular angle of incidence, the ray grazes along the interface. So conditions required are refractiveness of the mediums, temperature also, temperature dependent. Okay. So next question. Why does a diamond shine more than a glass piece cut to the same shape? Diamond glitters or shines or sparkles because its refractive index value is more. Refractive index value is more, and the critical angle is very small. Critical angle is very small. Whenever the light enter into the diamond, will not leave early. So number of total internal reflections will takes place like this, then finally comes out from it. So because of the total internal reflection and refractive index value is very high, critical angle is very small. These are the conditions, that's why the diamond glitters or shines more or sparkles. Okay. What are the conditions required for total internal reflection? Total internal reflection conditions required are the ray should move from denser medium to rarer only. Denser to rarer. And second condition is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. These are the two conditions required for the total internal reflection. Okay. Next question. Explain why a test tube immersed at a certain angle in a tumbler of water appears to have a mirror surface for a certain viewing position or angle. Whenever if you take a tumbler with water and take a test tube, at a particular angle of position, if you observe from at a particular angle, then the light ray reaching to your eye, if this is your eye at a particular angle, the ray takes total internal reflection because air and water medium, no? So denser to rarer, the ray is moving. Because of the total internal reflection, the surface of the test tube appears to be shiny or silvery. Okay, that is the reason. Okay. So with this, today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.